Welcome to Learn with Amine. In this video, we'll be talking about how to convert a GPA from one point scale to another point scale. For example, your university might have given you a GPA out of 10, and in order to evaluate your profile for admission into a college, you would want to convert your GPA into a 4-point scale or a 5-point scale. So in this video, we'll be talking exactly about that. So let's get started. Let us take a look on how to convert a CGPA to GPA on another scale. Usually percentage is out of 100 points and CGPA is out of 10 points and GPA is out of 4 points. So if you want to convert from a CGPA which is out of 10 points to a grading point average out of 4 points, then you need to follow these methods. So the first method that I'll be talking about is going to a Scholaro GPA calculator. So type it in the Google, then click on the first link, which is GPA calculator Scholaro. So basically I'm mentioning this tool because it is free and it is also recognized internationally. It provides the mechanism to convert the grading point averages from one country to the international level. So let us consider from Indian country to an international level, because this question was raised by a subscriber from India. I'll be using one of the marks memo from Indian system. So this is the Scholaro GPA calculator. As you can see here, you can mention the country. Let's mention the country of India. And here it is saying grading scale from Central Board of Secondary Education. She is from bachelor's. So let me consider the most common or UGC 10 point. So this is how I mention, but her university, which is Osmania University, does not have A plus and B plus. So let us consider a different grading scale. Okay, so this is the perfect. The University of Mumbai 10-point grading scale is very much similar to Osmania University. Now here we are converting around 12 courses. When you are calculating your GPA using this GPA calculator, you need to enter all the courses information. So if you are calculating the GPA for your bachelor's, you are supposed to enter all of the courses in your bachelor's for 4 years. But I'm taking an example of 12 in order to save time. So this is 12, and here it's mentioning credits or maximum marks. So enter 4, grade is A, then there is 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. These are the maximum credits, and wherever the grade is A, you can enter the grade as A, and wherever the grade is as S, so S corresponds to the grade O here, which is the highest grade. So you can mention OO. Then there is B, A, O, A. So after that you can click on calculate GPA. So you can see that your cumulative GPA is 3.939. So here it was mentioning the SGPA, which is semester grade point average. So this is also cumulative grade point average for that particular semester. So when the CGPA is 9.24, the cumulative GPA is 3.939 out of 4. So 9.24 corresponds to 3.939. This is how you convert your CGPA from 10-point scale to a grading point average in a 4-point scale. I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me through the comment box below. Thank you, take care and bye bye.